Welcome back to my channel. This is the Frugal Prof channel on YouTube. I appreciate you tuning in, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe because it helps the channel grow. And I haven't done a video in a while. I'm sorry about that. I've been really busy. Things are good, making money. Got some things I want to update, what's sold on eBay, and also some things to be on the lookout for, BOLOs as they're called. So had something happen that was great. I just want to share it with you guys because you know, if you're out there and you're struggling and you're saying, I don't know if this is going to work, this story may help you, because I was kind of at that point where you know, this reselling on Amazon and eBay can be kind of a grind sometimes. And I went to this garage sale and they had these DVDs for anime, this Japanese anime is basically all I know about it still, and they were new and they were sealed, and I think I scanned them, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, I wound up buying them for $5. They're really rare. There's not a lot of them. They sell for a lot of money. Check out the comps here. I sold it, I think, within a week for 150 bucks. Made my day, made my week. Because now I'm at the point where I'm buying a lot of inventory and I need that cash flow. I need to start having money come back to me because, you know, I just want to see it in my bank account, to be honest with you. You know, it's kind of like, hey, is this working? I need to see it. I need to see the cash flow coming in now. So that's what I've been working on, is basically buying more, listing more, trying to get things to move. So another thing I want to talk about is these Clarisonic refills. I didn't even know what these were. I got them at the Goodwill bins. It was a box. They were all new and sealed. These are refills for like skin, you know, women that do these skin treatments. Each one of these, I have 3 of them. They sell for like $23 a piece. Totally made my day. Spent $1, made 70. So, you know, that's the kind of thing that can happen, and you got to be on the lookout for. Also, I'm going to talk about, I want to talk about these tiki mugs. I had just been listening to a podcast, trying to learn as much as I can, like you guys, and I just listened to a podcast on tikis. And I'm at a garage sale, and this guy, and I said, hey, is that a tiki? And he said, yeah, and I wasn't even that interested in it. And he said, oh, you know, it's from this, you know, this place, this famous bar in Milwaukee. And it was basically like, he basically sold me on it. Oh, it's $1. And I'm like, okay, great, $1. And I look at the comps, those are 40 bucks. And so I'm telling you right now is, you go to these garage sales and people are giving you things for $1. You can sell for 30 and 40 bucks. That's just the truth. It may take a while. You may have to list it. You may have to wait for them to sell, but they sell. And what I've been doing is I'm just working a lot harder. I'm going to more places. I used to go to like 3 thrift stores, and now I'm trying to go to 5. And I'm trying to buy 10, list 10, sell 10 every day. That's kind of my goal. And it's working. My numbers are going up, things are good, and the more you go, the luckier you get. That's the key. The more you go to thrift stores and garage sales, estate sales, wherever you're going to find things, the luckier you get. You know, you just happen to be there, cart comes out, some great find. That's just the truth. It's sort of, you know, the harder you work, the luckier you get. So it's basically the same thing in reselling. The more you go to these sales, the more you go to thrift stores, the more you go to retail locations looking to do retail arbitrage, the luckier you're going to get. So hopefully this was motivational, and if it was, like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I want to keep making these, and I like doing them, frankly. So let's get this going. Thanks again.